How to bold text in WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp and say, for example, I wanted to send a message to this person right here. As you might know, WhatsApp only uses a normal font regularly. As you can see, if I tapped in this message and sent it, it will be a regular font, the default font. However, there's a trick within the app that you can use that will allow you to type messages in bold, and it goes like this. Switch on to the symbols and type in an asterisk, then type your message just like you did right now. And once you're done, you need to type in another asterisk. And as you will see right now, when I will type in and add the second asterisk, the text will go bold, as you can see, without asterisks, with the asterisk, without it and with it. So the asterisks are like a code in WhatsApp for the bold text. And even if you send this message, as you can see, it's now in bold, but the asterisks are not there because WhatsApp just used them to recognize the bold text. So that was it for this video. That's how you can write in bold in WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.